Tirpura hasteni lai bumano na hari naike Tripura sharokni mantai sokthai tai kaham hamiarokni chobao holong haike ganao tokma nokjago Tripura Students Federation hayake ba TSF bodol rokno obo haike no tini bobagra khorni Circuit House o sit in protest khlaiui kaini samung sangkha kaisa ke ST/SC backlog vacancies rokno supungnani tai kok brok bijapno Roman script by ma sapungnai henai faidi 9/11 khorang 24 live ni mangplio
TSF enggay jeng kedeng mas hal rogo ino backlog post jeng study kaika sini Vice President John Tay team jeng senagai RTI jeng file kairoka boni pore ke jeng nugui maka there are thousands of backlog posts sini SC rogo bagai sakiri taksi jora tilang jaya jeng nugui maka nirok hangnai Jeffro government form kaga 2018 niro approve sikana government rock borong ni sumai tong mani miss call rok kan chakri tilang nai but jengora clearly nuk haje ST backlog je vacancy tong masi tilang jaga ko so borong ni thani jeng kama poito tong nai sini lukro ma busi nai and TSF jeng almost sigu ST backlog ni movement jeng tini ni sini jengja kha oro jeng tini students youth tongo but ang appeal khainai omo TSF ni movement ang but people movement ang tini youth rock kabang manogo bekar klai jeng niro ma busi thai parents bunga bu phaniro om ma busi thai chakri nang haipana jeng movement protest khayang ke tini any demand jeng manglak hangnai daily rogo jeng movement jeng nuguni tongo bahaki youth tongo but ang appeal khainai chini Tripura chini youth parents niro bu chini logero phaidi and kha khaigo ST backlog definitely government mak nanai if we join hand together not only TSF NGO social organization political party they youth they students ani appeal omoto nadi chung RTI file khamen to chung state ni tani homale state na job recruitment kabang tilang ko comparing to ADC and ADC ni as authority reserve for recruitment tilangan so chini direct appeal high demand state government ni thanin tani homle recruitment borok tilang tongo ADC wa deputation butong tongo tabok so it is under state government ADC wa chakri kabang ma tongo man deputation of firog ro kangke but state government borok takpana thongoi tongko chini public ke lukrom ma businai je ST backlogs ei to kabangma tongo and edisio jodi u je deputation ro jona firog ro ka definitely afo edisio chakri kabangma tongo